People are always coming under fire for the things they've shared on social media, things that probably should have been kept to themselves. Everything we put out on the internet will most likely be around for a while. The emails we write, the photos we share with the world, our tweets, and videos. This is what we call our digital footprint. Our online presence can drastically affect the way our job search goes, seeing as 70% of employers screen their candidates' social media profiles, and more than 54% have seen things that cause them to reject certain applicants. Your social media profile reflects who you are. That's why we asked 3 employers to know what they look for in potential employees.
We don't usually inspect their profile, but I might Google them if I'm part of the hiring process. And obviously if anything controversial stands out, a Facebook post, a Facebook comment on some article that might be controversial, then we obviously discuss that.
I check the profiles online and social media of the person after the interview, just to be sure that this person is gonna be a great add to the team. I have a real example of an employee that I decided not to hire after checking her Instagram account. Since we work in Marimekko and behind Marimekko there are some values. After checking her profile, I was sure that she's not sharing the same values.
Something that could disqualify people if I was looking at their Facebook profile or their LinkedIn profile or whatever. It would be if they indicated something illegal or racist. Then I would have my doubts, I would say.
If somebody is really far on a political spectrum or has some crazy ideology, we might sort of reconsider the candidate.
I would never hire a person who is sharing a racist statement, for example, on Facebook or Instagram. My advice to all the young people who are looking for a job is just to make the profile private.
I would recommend that you can see a connection between if they write I have very strong values about this and this and this, and then you go to the profile and it shows something completely different. I would say to them, either you should change your post on your profile, or you should write about yourself in a different way in applications.
Radical beliefs in general, I would consider extreme on Facebook. If they share weird stuff or something, if you have extreme beliefs, then keep them to yourself.
I hire the adult people who are aware of who they are, who have their opinions and their values. So if that would be a racist post from 5 years ago, that would mean the same as a racist post from yesterday.
So what can you do? Here are 3 easy steps to how you can spring clean your social media. Step 1. Clear the clutter. You are not the same person you were 3 years ago, and your account should reflect who you are today. Consider deleting content from years ago and avoid having your past come back and bite you. When scrolling through your timeline, especially be sure to clean out content that could be considered judgmental, too personal, radical, provocative, and redundant. And importantly, remember to remove all posts of you bad-mouthing workplaces or employers. Keep it simple, and when in doubt, delete, delete, delete. Step 2. The Google search. With a quick Google search of your own name, you can locate all the digital dirt that you and your friends have left all over the internet. If you stumble upon unfavorable pictures, visit the site where it's posted and simply have it removed. Keep in mind, first impressions are important. Step 3. A privacy checkup. Don't want your future employer to know what you comment on Facebook, what pages you like, or what your friends write on your timeline? There's an easy way to avoid this. Under privacy settings on your account, you can go through a quick privacy checkup and make sure that only people you have approved can see your social media content and private information. Perfect these settings and you will stay ready for a job at all times.